Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm here to teach you how to finger knit scarves. Finger knitting scarves is a very laid-back method of having a scarf, and you can make one in mere minutes. I'm using a heavier wool yarn, and I'm going to make a slip knot, as you would when you're finger knitting anything. And then I'm going to reach into the slip knot and do a very loose stitch. And then I might do a different color for my next piece, because a finger knit scarf has a lot of different finger knitted pieces. So I'm going to do this one the same way. Just very loose. And I'll do another. This is a little bit finer. You can see that the thicker yarn is really going to be a little bit more useful to keep you warm. Although this could just be a fashion scarf. Doesn't have to be for warmth. So imagine that I've got them all lying there, and then I could either tie them together with something festive, another color, or I could actually tie them together like this in different places. So you've got a bunch of knots, you've got something warm and nice. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was how to finger knit scarves.